Hello everyone. This is our last part of chapter functions and string. In this part, we will learn different string decomposition functions. Decomposition means how to break a string into small parts. Okay. In this chapter, we will also learn searching functions, different string functions for the searching, and regular expression, POSIX regular expression and perl compatible regular expression. Let's see one by one. Decomposition of a string means what? Here we are dividing the string into smaller parts. For this we are using the different functions like explode. Explode works on a string. It breaks the string into smaller parts and store in an array. We will see all this function in detail in the next slide. STR okay, string tokenization. It splits a string into smaller tokens. Scanf. It parses a string into variables based on format string. Explode function. What is the syntax for the explode function? $array, then explode. Here is a separator. Okay, separator, then string. These two are the optional, string and limit. Let's see one example. Here $input. This is your string. Okay, this student, comma 20, comma Pune. Okay, this is whole string. This is the only one string within a single quote. Okay, and $fills equals to explode. We are using this syntax here. Separator is comma, means we are trying to divide this string based on this separator, based on the comma. And here is your $input. This student, comma 20, comma Pune is here. Okay, this explode function divide this given string, okay, based on this comma and store it in an array. So our array is student, comma 20, comma Pune. Okay, we can also use like this explode, comma, then $input, then the comma 2. When we are specifying the limit here, at that time, the given string will be divided into only two parts. This is your first part, means till the first comma, this is your first part, and remaining part is considered as a second string. So here is limit 2, that's why here is 2. Okay. Our next function is implode. Actually, it is not for decomposing a string. It is a opposite to this explode string. What is the use of this explode? Explode divides your string into smaller elements, into the array elements. And this implode function, see here, it creates a large string from an array of smaller strings. Okay, here we are using this array. Okay, and we will make one large string from this array. Joins the array element with a blue string. Okay, blue is a separator. See, in this explode function, we are using the separator here. And in implode function, we are using the blue here. Comma, array, $PCS. It returns the string. We can also use the join function. It is an alias of this implode function. See how it will work here. Array, student, comma 20, comma Pune. This is your given array. $string equals to implode, comma, $fields. Okay, we will connect all these. Okay, so blue is what? This comma. Okay, based on this comma, we will join this string. So output is student, comma 20, comma Pune. Okay, this is considered as a one single string. This is the only single string as your output by using this implode function. Next function is our STR token. Okay, it splits string into smaller string. Means here we are dividing the string into smaller string based on this delimiter. String STR token, string $str is here, then string $separator. This is a separator. We are using this separator. The first time you call it, you need to pass both the arguments. But when we are calling it again, No need to pass the two argument. Okay, we can just call it as a str took with the separator. See, dollar next underscore chunk equals to str took and separator. Here we are passing the separator. It returns false if there is a no more token to be returned, and it returns your tokenized string if there is a string is remain tokens are available. Next function is a scanf. This function decomposes a string. Okay, we are using this function. Okay, this scanf function parses input from a string according to a specified format. Here we are using the different format specifier to decompose a string. Here is an example $format, and here scanf number of here format specifiers are used. Okay, for what? See, the syntax is scanf string comma format comma argument 1 2 3 up to n. Okay, so here we are using the string as if you add 4 and 2 you will get 6. Okay, so scanf you can divide this string as $str. This string is here $str means this is your string, and format is I want the %s for this word, then percentage percentage %d percentage %d percentage %s %d, or you can write here the %c or %s also. Okay, depending on your requirement. Here I am writing the this. Okay, when you are printing this, okay, here need to use the print r function angular format. Print this string here. Okay, in this way you can use the scanf function for your output. So what will be the output for this? Here your output will be array. Okay, print r. What is the use of this print r function? It will print the array. Okay, print array of 0. Okay, at the 0th position you are e. Then at the first position you will get the u. Okay, so in this way it will print the index number also and the value of this also. Next we will see the searching functions of array. There are the different searching functions in array. So let's see some of these searching functions. Your first function is strpos. Okay, what is the use of this strpos? This function returns you first occurrence of a string inside the another string. Means suppose, see in an example, this is your string and this is your pattern. Okay, we are trying to find this. Okay, where it will see I love India. Okay, I will get this string here. Okay, so at the 8th position, this substring is present. Okay, strpos function find the position of the first occurrence of a string inside the another string. It is actually the case sensitive. Okay, it will find the same string only. Mixed STR Pos. Mixed means what? For we can use this for any PHP database. String str, mixed $find, and then int offset. Offset means you can provide the starting position also from this to this. Find the element. Okay, you can provide the here 5 or 6 as per your requirement. Next function is strpos. Okay, strpos. See, this function is strpos and this function is str one more r. This extra. Okay, this function finds the last occurrence of a substring in the main string. It will find the last occurrence. Same as previous, but it will returns you the last occurrence of your string, your this target string in this string. Next function is str. Okay, this function finds first occurrence of a small string. Okay, this is also for the first occurrence of a small string, and it also returns string. Okay, from this string. Okay, and returns from that small string onwards. Means, see, when in this example str, whether str is your string. Okay, consider this string here. Okay, sorry, I have written by mistake here $str. Okay, write the $a here and str here. Okay, or use the variable name here different, then dot. Okay, so what will be the output? It will return output dot. Okay, first the location. Okay, first occurrence of this dot and then the string means dot google.com. We are also using the some more functions for the string for the case sensitivity. Okay, we are using the str function, case insensitive of str. Okay, this function is case sensitive. We are using the case insensitive of str. Then we can use the strchr, which is alias of str function. We can use str, find the last occurrence of a character in a string. You can use these different functions for the searching inside the string. Decomposing URLs. These functions are, more string functions are stri, strchr, and one more is strrchr. Okay, this is for the str, and this is a find the last occurrence of a character in a string strrchr. And next one is decomposing URLs. Here we can divide our URLs also. For this we are using the function parse URL. It returns an array of components of URL. And syntax for this is parse URL to input as your URL. So you will get the array. Our next topic of this chapter is regular expression. Okay, regular expression is a string that represents a pattern, and PHP provides us two types of regular expression: POSIX regular expression and Perl compatible regular expression. We will see in detail POSIX regular expression first, and then overview of Perl compatible regular expression. Actually, POSIX regular expressions are less powerful and sometimes slower than Perl compatible functions, but it can be easier to read. So we will see first the POSIX regular expression. The PHP provides us three regular expressions for the matching, for substituting, and for the splitting. For matching, this provides a different function for like a EREG, then EREGI. Then for replacing or for substituting, this provides the EREG replace function, and for splitting we are using the split function. First, our function is EREG, used for regular expression match. This function is for the matching. What is the syntax for this? Int EREG, then string $pattern, string $input. Here is our input string, and last is array of $EREG. The function searches your input string for matches to the regular expression given in a pattern in a case sensitive way. Here is the example: EREG Pune, hello Pune. It returns true because this Pune is present inside your string. We are using some characters for matching also. For start of the string we are using this character, then $sign for the end of string, and we are using the dot for match any single character inside our string. We are using these characters with our EREG functions. Next is our EREG. This is example of EREG function. Here date is given in a format, ISO format, YYYY, then MM, month, then date. Here if EREG, we are using this 0 to 9, then 4 for this, then 0 to 9, then 1 to, we are using this, then 0 to 9 and 1 to this. Okay, means this is 4 digit, this is 2, and this is also 2. $date, this is our date, and $REGS, this is our regular expression. Okay, so here echo REGS of 3 dot REGS of 2 dot REGS of 1. Okay, we are printing in this way. Why? Because we want date in a normal format like a date, month, and year. So 3, 2, 1. And it will print the answer this. Okay, so it will print the date 10/8/2020. Our next function is EREG replace function. We are using this function for replacing in a regular expression. The EREG replace function takes a parameter, a replacement string, this is in which to search. String in which to search. This is our pattern, then string, and string in which we are replacing this with this. Okay, so let's see the one example. For this, $num equals to 12, $str equals to arg replace 12, and here is $num. Practical batch of size 12. So it will replace this num. Okay, num is what? 12. Okay, what we want to replace this 12 inside this string this. So our output will be practical batch of size 12, 1 to 12. We are replacing this 12 with this $num. Our next function is split function. We are using this split function. It uses a regular expression to divide a string into smaller chunks, smaller parts, which are written as an array. $chunks equals to split. Here is your pattern, comma string, and here is a limit. The pattern matches the text that separate the chunks. Suppose here is your IP address is given. Okay, then $IP address, here we are using this split slash dot. Okay, based on the dot. Okay, we are using this escape character dot, backslash and dot. So separate this on the base of dot and $IP. Here is your string. Okay, and here is your pattern. So it will print $I dot this. Okay, so here output will be in the form of array, and we will get these different values using this split function. These are these Perl compatible regular expression. We are using this Perl compatible regular expression for the matching, match all, and for the replacing. PREG match function, it returns 1 if the pattern was found in the string, otherwise it will return 0. PREG match all, it returns the number of times the pattern was found in the string, which may also be 0. Okay, we are using this for the number of times the pattern match. And our last function is PREG replace function. It returns a new string where match patterns have been replaced with another string. Okay, we are using these three functions as a Perl compatible regular expression. In this session, we have learned different functions for decomposing Implode, STR scanner, and Implode function for joining, and different searching function STR Pos, STR Pos, STR function, and the regular expressions, POSIX regular expression, the functions EREG replace, split function, and Perl compatible functions PREG match all, and PREG replace. Thank you.